Frequent electricity blackouts have a strong negative impact in the productivity in an organization due to the downtime and interruption of workflow. The use of diesel generators to provide backup power significantly increased operational costs due to the high cost of fuel as well as the frequent maintenance required. Megapower supplied and installed 163.2 kWp on-grid system with a fuel-safe controller for the Tiba Building in the Islamic University of Gaza. This system used Canadian solar PV modules, HOPEC battery banks, SMA battery and PV inverters, and SMA fuel-safe controller that maximize solar energy use and minimized use of diesel fuel backup and associated costs. Contact Megapower for a free consultation to explore solar energy solutions that will provide reliable power, minimize the effect of grid power outages, minimize operational costs, and hence improve your organization productivity, financial, and environmental sustainability.